Hello friends, it's Gurinder here. In this tutorial we will see today how we can change our profile and personal settings. First of all, go to wordpress.com and write your username and password in login fields and click go to your dashboard by clicking your username, and it will take you to my public profile page. Or the other way to go to my public profile page is under user, click my profile, and in this page you have several options to fill out to customize your profile visible to public or visitors to your blog. The first thing you will write is your first name. Write my first name is Gurinder. The next one is write your last name, your full name you want to display, and your display name if it's different than full name. I will just write Gurinder. Your location and about you, or this is a brief biography. You can write everything about you. I am Canada, so web designing and so the next one is, it says your contact information. If you feel comfortable, you can provide all of your contact informations, your phone number, your Yahoo IDs, your Gtalk, your messengers, Skype, or your public email. Remember, this is what the information you will provide here will be shown up on your public profile and visible to all of the visitors to your blog or to your profile. So I will suggest just to keep it as narrow as you can. Simply update your profile, and now we will see how this thing affect your blog. I will go to my blog. So here is my blog, and the display name I choose was my first name. It's Gurinder, so it says posted by Gurinder in uncategorized. And if you change your public name to something else, it will say posted by your changed name in uncategorized. So just simply go to my profile again. So next option is photos. Here you will upload a photo which will display in your public profile. Now this service is related to or attached to Gravatar service. Gravatar is a external service, which means what it do actually, it makes your profile and store in Gravatar data center or Gravatar storage. So when you leave your comment on any other websites which has Gravatar enabled, and you will provide your email address to that comment, and that website will gather all the data from Gravatar and attach your public profile saved in Gravatar to that comment. So this is a very good way or easy way to market your links or your profile. So to add photo to Gravatar, just simply click this button here. It will open up a window and ask you to choose a file which you want to upload as a profile picture. Click choose profile, and I have a sample picture. I just randomly choose a picture here. This is actually an iPhone picture, so it says it has been chosen and uploaded. So my picture has been uploaded. This is I have chosen iPhone picture just for example. And on the next one, you can show up links. You can add links to any website you like here, and they will be included on your profile. They will also include it on your Gravatar profile. And if you have some other websites or some other links you want to share with your with people through your comments or through your post, just write your links here. Now we will just write google.com and add link. So link has been added. Now next one is verified external services. So you can verify yourself by providing this Facebook or YouTube or MySpace account, and this is done through Gravatar. This is a good way to tell people you are real. That's the only reason this to verify yourself. So you can also update your Gravatar profile from here. Just simply click change your Gravatar, and it will take you to your account, and here you can edit your profile. Here you have several options to customize your profile. You can write about yourself, your images, your contact information, your verified services, and your links. You can also add more links, or you can remove it by just simply clicking this X button. And you can also customize your background color, which will be the color of the comments. I just have chosen this, and save background. So whenever you post a comment on the website which support Gravatar services, and you will provide your email address on that comment page, then it will fetch the profile from Gravatar and it will show into that comment. So all of your links and profile data will show up with your comment. Now the next is personal setting. Just click on personal, and it will take you to personal setting page. The first option you have is profile details. Were you looking for your profile details? We already finished it. Profile details means my profiles. And the next, let's say you can get your API key direct from Akismet. Now API key from Akismet is a code actually which will enable this Akismet external plugin, or you can, this is basically useful when you have this WordPress website is hosted on your own server, but for now we just leave it like this. In personal options, the first option you have is fun, and it says there's a checkbox and it says surprise me and fun mode in bracket. That means if you click this fun mode here, it will enable the fun mode. And sorry, if you click this checkbox here, it will enable the fun mode. And what gonna happen is WordPress will randomly choose configurations for your profile, and each time you log in or visit WordPress dashboard, it will surprise you with new things all the time. So if you wanna go that way, you can just click this thing, but for now we can simply uncheck this. The another option you have is visual editor. If you want to disable the visual editor on your post, then click this checkbox, but we always recommend just to keep it unchecked so that you have a help or an option to select from WYSIWYG editor. What is WYSIWYG or visual editor we are talking about here? For example, I'll show you right now. I will open up this post page in new window. Here we have a sample post installed with WordPress. I will click on the post, and right now you can see you don't have any option like you have it before. I mean, here it used to be have an options which is similar to Microsoft Word, like making it bold and all the stuff. But here you have to, if you wanna write anything or add anything in your post, you have to write everything in coding, and this doesn't look too much comfortable if you for the people who don't know anything about coding or anything about languages. So we will enable this for now and come back here to see the difference. So uncheck this to enable it, and go down, save changes, go back to edit post again, and we will refresh it to see what's difference it has been made. So now you can see this post in way easier format, the one before the one we saw just before this, and this is way easier to edit or understand for the person who don't know anything about coding. And if you still feel if you don't want this visual editor, you can just simply go to this HTML editing page or tab, and you can go to that coding page again to code everything on your own with the language, and you can switch back by clicking this visual editor. So just keeping that this is actually also a search engine optimization process. So whenever somebody type or looking for restaurant in Toronto or some particular restaurant in Toronto, then they will see your restaurant in that list. The next option is browser connection, and if you click this checkbox here, it will always use HTTPS when visiting administration pages. If you have really good traffic and your website is commercial website or commercial blog from where you are earning really good money, you might wanna learn more about it to make your blog more secure or keep it away from hackers or anybody else. but for now we just keep it unchecked, and if you want to learn more about it, just click this learn more button here. So the next option we have is interface language. You can select your dashboard interface language. There are several options you can select from: English, Dutch, French, Italiano, and there are several other options you can have. It will just simply change this dashboard language to the selected language. You can select your primary blog here. Mine is, I just have one blog right now, so that's the one I have primary. The next option is proofreading. Proofreading means it will help you to stay away from misspelling, and it will keep on checking your spelling. We click this, we keep it on, so that whenever we write a post or page, it will help us to improve the writing. Next option is English options. Enable proofreading for the following grammar, style, rules when writing posts and pages, like biased languages, glitches, complex phrases, diacritical marks, double negatives, hidden verbs, jargons, passive voice, phrase to voice, redundant phrases. Just if you want to click any, you can also click all of them, or if you want to just click one, you can choose 1, 2, or as many as you want. But sometimes people don't use it because it's really annoying, but it's a good practice to use it first, and when you are really habitual to in writing, then you can keep it off. But for now we just keep it off. And also remember, the proofreading supports English, French, German, Portuguese and Spanish. The next option is use automatically detected languages to proofread posts and pages. You can also write ignored phrases. It will identify the words and phrases you want to ignore by proofreading. Like sometime, let's say my name is Gurinder Chauhan. They like this proofreading always highlight my name, and because it's not in their dictionary, or it's not stored in it, so I just write my name here and add it to my database. So whenever I type my name in it, it will ignore that word or phrase, and it will not remind me to correct it, because every time I write my name, and if each time it will say to correct me, it's gonna be really annoying for me. But for now I just keep it that way. The next option is additional post content. If you click this, if you check this checkbox here, it will help you to find related content on your website. You might want to use it for your post or blog. Your account details, your username, your email attached to your account, your website, the blog you are using. If you want to change your password, you can change it here, and just simply change it. So now whenever you post a new article or anything, so this location will be shown, that person who posts the article is from these locations. So that's all for this video, and keep checking my other videos for WordPress tutorials, and hope you enjoy it. I'm sorry I'm really slow, but I'm trying to, this is my first time I'm making these videos, so I'm trying my best. Okay, thanks a lot guys.